We have to classify if our statement is true or false. So let's read the statement. We have the area of square a side is 2a or it is a square. So we have here word or. It means we have the disjunction statement. For disjunction statement we use symbol like this. And first we will find simple statements. First simple statement will be the area of square is 2a. So let's put that our P is the area of square is 2a, a is side, and Q will be our second simple statement, and will be the area of square is a square. So now we have to decide if P and Q statements are true or false. So P is the area of square is 2a. No, it's not true statement. So this is false. And Q is the area of square is a square. A is side of square, of course. So this is true. So we have here disjunction P or Q. P is false. We have P or Q is true. And we know that disjunction is false only when both statements are false. In this example, one of statement is true. So our disjunction will be true. This is my solution.